Okay, YouTube, it's Buck Hunter here with another YouTube video. And today, me and my cousin, we killed a few birds full. We didn't get many, but we did get more, but they mostly fell in broad patches, so we couldn't get them. And that's him right there, just out of Locklear. We're both shooting Daisy Powerline 880s. We killed a woodpecker, a blue jay, a little type of a woodpecker and a sparrow. And we killed them right across yonder over there in the woods, and we killed them there too. We killed them too right up here in this big oak tree. The reason they be mostly over here is because we killed them. They're like over there and some right there from the cheek, and that bee's wasted, and some over there. And they mostly be in the horse's feed trough. And before I get finished with the rest, please like and subscribe, comment if you like this video. And hopefully I can hit 50 likes to let me know that people do like my videos. And the name of my channel is Buck Hunter, so yeah. And that's just all. I'm gonna help him make a YouTube channel. It's gonna be a dove hunter, I meant. And so yeah, we're gonna end this video probably